Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SPL tokens to Phantom Wallet step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Phantom Wallet website. If you don't already have the Phantom Wallet installed, download the extension for your preferred browser. Once the extension is installed, create a new wallet or log in to your existing account. After logging in, you will see your wallet's main dashboard. Now, locate the Tokens section to see the list of assets currently in your wallet. Open the platform or exchange where your SPL tokens are currently stored. Find the option for sending or withdrawing SPL tokens within that platform. Input the amount of tokens you wish to transfer. Next, you will need to specify the recipient address. Go back to your Phantom Wallet. Click on the Deposit button to generate your wallet address. Copy the wallet address provided. Return to the exchange or platform where your SPL tokens are held. Paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct. Confirm the transaction details, including the amount and destination address. Proceed with the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once completed, return to your Phantom Wallet to verify the tokens have arrived. Refresh your wallet dashboard if you do not see the tokens immediately. You have now successfully transferred your SPL tokens to your Phantom Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.